Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're looking at the hidden environmental battle in your clothes.
We always hear that natural is better, but is that true for the dyes in our clothes?
So, a recent study put two very different dyes head-to-head to get the exact same color. In one corner, you've got ancient madder root, a natural dye used for thousands of years.
In the other, a modern metal complex dye built for strong, consistent color every single time. The goal was simple. Dye two pieces of wool so you couldn't tell them apart.
And wow, they nailed it. The colors are an almost perfect match. Pretty incredible, right?
Okay, so if the color's the same, what's the big deal? Let's check out the scorecard.
First up, round one, the process. How do the two dyeing methods actually stack up?
Right off the bat, you can see some major trade-offs between the natural and synthetic processes. For speed and just getting reliable color every time, the win goes to the synthetic dye.
But what about the mess they leave behind? Let's look at the wastewater from each one.
The synthetic dye's wastewater was way more acidic and had a much heavier pollution load. And its conductivity was more than 10 times higher because of all the salts and chemicals used.
So when you look at the initial pollution, it's a clear win for the natural dye.
But here's the twist. Which one of these messes is actually easier to clean up?
Scientists used activated carbon, a really common treatment method, to see what would happen.
And check this out. The natural dye's color was way easier to remove from the water. This means you need a lot less carbon to clean the natural dye's water, making it cheaper.
See, it's not just about the mess, it's about cleaning it. So round 3 goes to natural too.
So after all that, what's the final verdict? Well, it's not that simple. The best dye really just depends on what you care about most: performance, pollution, or cleanup. The researchers themselves said when you look at the whole picture, natural dyeing has a strong case. It just goes to show eco-friendly is complicated. Natural isn't always the simple answer.